I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Very simple. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and press that lever towards the lens. Now you should see a white light here, or a blinking light. And then from here, what next we want to do is we want to close this right arm. And now what we want to do next is we want to tap that capture button 5 times, and then this light will turn orange, a solid orange. Okay, so ready? Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you can see it orange. Now we're going to press and hold the capture again. Press and hold for about 5 seconds or until it starts rapidly blinking, the LED light. Okay, so now it's blinking white, orange, white, orange. Now we're simply going to wait. It can take up to 30 seconds. Okay, so just be patient here. Still blinking orange, white. Just wait. And then once it's done, it's going to go back into discovery mode. Okay, so there you go. So we just factory reset these. Now here's the thing. If you want to go back and pair it back to your the app on your phone, then you have to go to, after you did a factory reset, then from here you have to go to your settings, go to your Bluetooth settings, and then you can see right here it was pair device, the Meta right here. You want to tap on that settings icon and you want to tap on unpair. If you're on an iPhone, you want to tap on forget device. Okay, so unpair, just like that, and now you can go ahead and repair back to the app or whatnot. All right, or you can just sell them.